How to select multiple files on the iPad. Let me show you exactly how it works. If it's your first time in here, most definitely subscribe for more, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well. But in order to select multiple files, we have to know which type of files we are selecting. For instance, if we are working with the actual Files app where all of those things are, then you can get inside any folders or any place and tap on the select button, and then every single thing you tap on is going to be like selected, so that way you can select as many things as you want. And you also have the select all button, so you can even grab all of the files at the same time and make changes to them, like delete them or copy, move, share, or whatever. So that is how you can do it in here. Keep in mind, however, that there are also other places. Like, I know a lot of people want to move multiple icons on the home screen at the same time. And if that's the case, well, as well, you can just grab the app, like one of the apps, and then tap on the other ones, and you can just move two of the apps at the same time. So you can see that's another way and in a completely different environment. If you mean the Photos app, well, in that case, it also works in a similar way where you can tap on the select button and then just tap on the individual photos and videos which you want to select, and then either grab them or copy, delete, whatever you need to perform. But yeah, that's how you can do this. So usually the blueprint is that you tap on the select button and you can see that we have the ability to tap on the things which we want to select. In other places where you don't necessarily have the select button, for example, in a notes, well, in that case, you can also use the two-finger gesture, especially if you have like a list of things, so you can grab it as such, and you can see this is how you can quickly select as many things as you want with just a quick swipe with two fingers. So that's another way how you can just select things. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to actually make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.